Looking for the gift that lasts forever? We travel the world and work with the best manufacturers and miners of fine gemstones to bring these amazing creations of nature to you. We bring you high-quality genuine gemstone and a combination of high-quality genuine gemstones and gemstone jewelry. We have reinvented the fine jewelry buying experience with exceptional genuine jewelry offered at the unbeatable prices, value, backed by our lifetime warranty and unheard of 15-day money-back guarantee. Buy the timeless gift that lasts forever from AfricaGems, the trusted gemstone experts since 1984.